Looking for the best dirt bike for your kid can be overwhelming, especially when you want them to have fun while staying safe. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Supercross 5-pack die-cast bikes. The Supercross Authentic 5-pack of 1 to 24 scale die-cast motorcycles is a fantastic option for kids and collectors alike, priced at just $21.88. What caught my attention was how realistic these little bikes look, especially for the price. If you want to spark your child's interest in motocross, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each bike comes with a removable rider figure, which can really enhance imaginative play. The 1 to 24 scale makes them perfect for small hands, allowing kids to recreate their favorite Supercross scenes. Plus, the starting gates included in the pack add an interactive element that can keep your kid engaged for hours. With over 2,000 sold in just the past month, clearly parents are loving these little replicas. Now, some people complained about the durability of these die-cast bikes. Here's the thing though, while they are toys and might not withstand rough play like a full-size dirt bike, they are perfect for imaginative play. Just keep an eye on how your kids handle them, and they should last through many fun adventures. This is perfect for you if your child is just getting into the motocross scene or loves collecting toys. Skip this one if you're looking for a real dirt bike experience, as these are strictly for play. For just under $22, it's a great value for sparking a passion for motorsports. Now, if you're after something a bit more realistic for your budding rider, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 2, New Ray 1 to 12 scale Yamaha YZ450F. The New Ray Toys motorcycle 1 to 12 scale Yamaha YZ450F, which is priced at $20.63. What really caught my eye was the detailed exterior that looks just like the real deal. If your child is a fan of Yamaha bikes, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This die-cast model is not just a toy, it's a collector's item that can also ignite your child's imagination. With this scale, kids can appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into real dirt bikes, which could inspire them to learn more about motorcycling. It's lightweight at just 6.3 ounces, making it easy for kids to handle and play with. Plus, with over 800 sold recently, it's clear that this model is popular among young riders. Now, some parents mentioned that the size could be a bit small for certain kids. Here's the thing though, this smaller size makes it perfect for play and display on shelves or desks, and it's more about quality than quantity in this case. This is perfect for you if your kid is a Yamaha enthusiast or loves collecting miniature models. Skip this one if you're after something that can withstand rough outdoor play, as it's more for display and gentle play. For under $21, it's a nice addition to any toy collection. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for protective gear. Product number 3, New Ray Eli Tomac Replica Bike. The New Ray Toys Yamaha YZ450F Motocross of Nations Bike Eli Tomac Race Team Replica is next on the list, priced at $27.34. I was genuinely surprised by the attention to detail on this model, which can really stand out in any collection. If you want something that represents a real-life champion, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This replica not only looks great, but can also serve as a teaching tool for kids about motocross and racing culture. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to the sport while they enjoy playing. The 1 to 12 scale makes it ideal for small hands, and as it's lightweight, kids can easily carry it around. With 200 sold recently, it's clear this is a hit. Now, some reviews pointed out that the price might be a bit high for a toy. Here's the thing though, considering the quality and detail that goes into these replicas, it's worth the investment for kids who genuinely love bikes and racing. This is perfect for you if your kid is a fan of Eli Tomac or wants to learn more about motocross. Skip this one if your child prefers interactive toys more than static models, as it's designed for display. At $27, it's a solid choice for any young racing fan. Now, if you're looking for actual gear to keep your little one safe, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Stark Knight MT Kids Dirt Bike Gear. Introducing Stark Knight MT Kids Dirt Bike Gear, priced at $55.99. What impressed me about this gear is its focus on safety, which is a top priority for any parent. If you're looking for protective gear that your child can grow with, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This protective suit features a high-impact PE shell that covers all the critical areas, ensuring that your child is well protected while they ride. The breathable foam lining adds comfort, which is crucial for kids who might be out for longer rides. With adjustable straps, it fits kids aged 3 to 12, making it a long-term investment for their riding adventures. The fact that it's sold over 200 times in the past month speaks volumes about its popularity among parents. Some users noted that the sizing can be tricky, especially as kids grow. Here's the thing though, the adjustable straps are designed to accommodate growth, so it's not a deal breaker. Just be mindful of sizing when you purchase. This is perfect for you if your child is getting serious about dirt biking and needs protective gear. Skip this one if your kid is still in the early stages and just wants to ride around the yard without any major risks. At $55.99, you're investing in their safety, which is priceless. Now, if you want to ensure your child's head is protected while riding, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 5, Ruzo Youth Dirt Bike Helmet. We have the Ruzo Youth Dirt Bike Helmet, priced at $59.99. I was impressed by the safety features, which include DOT certification. If you want peace of mind while your child rides, this helmet is a must-have. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-impact ABS shell and dense EPS foam liner provide reliable protection during falls, which is crucial for young riders. The helmet also includes adjustable goggles and gloves, ensuring your child is fully equipped. It's designed to be lightweight, alleviating neck strain during long rides, and the ventilation system keeps them cool. With 200 sold just in the past month, it's clearly gaining traction among parents. Now, some reviews mentioned that the sizing can be confusing. Here's the thing though, the adjustable fit means it can grow with your child, which makes it a great investment for the long haul. This is perfect for you if your child is ready to hit the trails and you want them protected. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it's slightly more expensive. At $59.99, it's a worthy investment for your child's safety. The connection between gear and safety is critical, and this helmet rounds out the perfect package for young dirt bike enthusiasts. So there you have it. 5 great options for dirt bikes and gear for kids that cater to different needs and budgets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Stark Knight MT Kids Dirt Bike Gear because it prioritizes safety, which is essential for any young rider. Avoid the New Ray 1:12 scale Yamaha YZ450F if you're looking for a rugged outdoor experience, as it's more of a collector's item.